Hey Jessica, hurry up, check my OOPO.
Okay, let's go. Now this mobile phone can turn on. Let me open and check it. Each one mobile phone the problem, we can use the power supply to check it the problem. And now we can see the power supply to show me our 17 mA. Let me repair it now. According our transfer check, and this problem is flash memory the problem. Okay, let me reinstall. We often separate this IC, and you need to give a protected cover to near the IC. Now the mobile phone has been repaired. Let me turn on the mobile phone to check it. You can see each function is can use. How much repair cost in your countries? If you like, please email like I'm Jessica.